Hunan HKT Technology Company Limited was founded in 2010. We are a professional provider of comprehensive software and hardware solutions for smart cities in China, focusing on R&D, manufacturing and sales of smart IoT devices based on LoRaWAN protocol. The company's headquarters is located in the capital of Hunan Province, China. The Smart Industrial Park covers an area of 5 acres with a construction area more than 50,000 square meters. HKT has a 30,000 square meter hardware production facility. HKT has established cooperative relations with more than 1,000 global partners. Its business covers more than 100 countries and regions in all continents. The company has close to 200 experienced employees, including R&D engineers. With continuous innovations, we provide our global partners with one-stop solutions and services. HKT provides LoRaWAN sensor nodes, LoRaWAN gateways, NS platforms to application software customization in LoRaWAN IoT industry.